We are using it a lot, though, more and more. In fact, clients are coming to us more and more every day, trying to solve the same problems that you were talking about. And we're seeing, basically two kinds of, I guess, demand vectors. One is a client will come and say, I have this workflow or this process or this moment, this experience. How can I use GenAI to take this data and create a better experience and do it better and faster? And they're interesting and cool and exploratory. And so we do things with, soil testing. And so we're deploying GenAI in these very, very precise use cases. And then the other thing that's happening is that we're using it ourselves in terms of service delivery. So doing things like quality engineering and data management and applying GenAI on these very large kind of annuity service scale work elements. And so it's really interesting to see how that kind of those demand vectors are evolving really quite rapidly over time.
No, I agree. I think what we are seeing is if you take the plethora of use cases that's there around GenAI, I think you can cluster them down to 3 Ps. One is productivity, obviously. It can do things faster, cheaper, quicker. The other is personalization, mass personalization, like your soil testing example. I think the third is prediction. The predictive abilities of GenAI, and we're seeing that in finance, we're seeing that in supply chain, we are seeing them in so many different areas. So productivity, personalization, and prediction. I think most of the use cases that I've seen sort of fall into one of those 3 buckets. Productivity perhaps is the most talked about, but the real value is prediction and personalization.
Oh, yeah.
And that's where we're going to go next.